Hey guys, it's me again. Sorry about last week. Wedding album Wednesday did not go as planned, but here we are. Another wedding album Wednesday. I'm almost done. I'm so almost done, guys. It's just awesome. Anyway, these were the after the ceremony program. Excuse me, I'm still a little bit under the weather, so there will be clearing of the throat. And I did not bring my coffee in here because I'm slow. Anyway. These are, look at his face. Doesn't he just look like, anyway, sorry Pop-Up if you're watching this. Anyway, this page is going to be of, his mother was actually not able to attend the wedding, neither his sister. Both were out of town for pretty important reasons. So Pop-Up was the one that married us. You probably saw that already. And this is my mommy. And she pretty much did the whole, I mean, it wasn't real fancy, but she did everything that got done. So, because I'm just not real good with stuff like that. I'm just not. So, anyway, I'm going to trim these down just a tad. And the lady we had doing our pictures, she was not a professional photographer, but she offered to take pictures for me because I was, you know, I was on a budget, and I really wanted to have some pictures that I didn't have to worry about being taken. So yeah, they should fit on there. And I'm using this, sure, you see it right there? Yeah, isn't that pretty? I like it, so pretty. Of course, we're going to mat it up. Excuse me. And then the page that's going to be adjacent to this will be some more photos of like the after wedding photos. I don't remember. I can't see them right now, or I'd tell you a little more detail, but I can't. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a good week. I'm hoping to finally get back to taking care of my YouTube channel. I have slashed off just with holidays and whatnot. Being sick, kids acting crazy, you know, the norm. Nothing new, just annoying. I really love this because it's shiny, or shimmery, so I'm going to mat this down here. And then onto that pink, I think. Yet again, I did not check my, oh, we're good, okay. Let's see, will it fit here? Yeah. Excuse me. I remember, like when I first started crafting and stuff and thinking, why do they have 3 trimmers? There's a reason for all of them, trust me. Or say glue. Why do they have 2 different kind of glues? Because there's a glue for everything. Alright. It might not always be what you think it is, so. But you can, I don't know why, but when I got into crafting, it's almost like you knew then, like, oh man, that's not gonna work. You know, I need a liquid glue for that for some reason. I don't know what it is, but, oh, you guys, I got these at Hobby Lobby the other day too. They're the Valentine's stuff. Look at those glasses. Aren't they adorable? Anyway, tangent, as Adele would call it. You know what? I probably should put, oh, let's see how it goes. I was thinking a more hefty adhesive down because of this, but it's not like textured, so. Now I brought these words out, but I don't think black on black is gonna work, huh? Who are these? American Crafts? Yeah, thickers. Eee! Come on already. I reckon that's gonna blend in pretty good, huh? I would say it is, so I'm going to not do that in hopes of not ruining my layout. Now, I was thinking about using a bold, but then I have to take this up. Was I using this one? I think so, because I got the other ones on the other one. Oh, I just ripped it. Shoot. Maybe that'll go into... Oh, well, alright. Forget it. Let's go this route instead. Just pop you back down. I'm sorry, this is going to run long just because I'm being indecisive. I didn't plan this at all, obviously. These border strips, I think I've had these probably going on the better part of 3 years. Oh, you know what I was thinking? This background might be the reason why I wasn't doing anything with this stuff here, border stuff. Well, that's not too bad. Okay, that's not bad. And then, don't know about those. No, okay. I don't have a title though. Let me go grab my other thickers real quick. Okay, Ixnay, the alphabet A. I know that's not right. Anyway, I found these. Probably can't see them because of the glare. I want to use this one. I want to really use family. Whoops. There we go. Now, what about this up here? Okay. And hearts because they're the best embellishment ever. And this last one, and then that puts one sticker left there, huh? Now, are we going to be able to fit any of this in? Because I was liking that life moves really fast. If you don't watch it, then something or another. Oh, yeah, I want to get those bows put in here, too. That's kind of cute. Now, I did want to use bows because I really haven't used any, and I'm coming to the end of this, so now is the time. Uh-oh, lose them. I'm thinking 3 is going to be too much. What about camera? Nope. Nope, black's going to blend. We could do some little words down here. Okay. Now, any rhinestones need to be added? There we go. I don't think I want any of those dark pink ones. Okay. Okay, I think I'm done. What'd you think? Probably embellished a little too much, huh? Oh well. It's done. It's going in the book. Me. Anyway, hope you guys have a great rest of your week. And if you would, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And I will see you next time. Bye.